Hi, Mark here. It's 9 a.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. GMT on Friday, the 6th of June. Let's have a look how the US dollar's performing. We just had half an hour ago job numbers out of the US, non-farm payroll, positive numbers, and has added to the positive start we saw in the US dollar through the Asian European session and certainly continuing in the US session following the the job numbers. Look at the US dollar index from yesterday, a big sell-off, support all the way down here at 97.89, has fought back today, got support at 98.19. It's already broken through earlier resistance I had at 98.58 and sitting at 98.73. So US dollar definitely fighting its way back today. We'll see if that can be maintained now that the US session is underway. Let's have a look at the majors, starting with the Euro US. And there's strong US dollar today. You can see that. There's the big red candlestick selling euro, buying US. Resistance, today's resistance 114.57. I had support in here just before the data release at 114, already sitting at 113.95, testing the support. EMAs look like they want to come down. On the daily, if I go to the 4 hour, there you can see the crossover. You can see the downtrend testing the 114 support right now. And if I go to the hourly, there it is. There's the support at 114. And that's the level that sellers are looking to break below. Buyers will look for a bounce up off this level. Let's have a look at the pound. There you can see strong US dollar again. EMA's turning to the downside so far and support at 135.31 being tested. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see the strong downtrend. There's that support level 135.30 being tested right now. Sellers of pound, buyers of US. If we're going to see US dollar strength continue, we'll look for a test or break below. A bounce up off this support area would be buying pound, selling US if US dollar is going to be sold off in some kind of a turnaround during the US session. This would be the level that pound buyers would be looking to bounce off. Let's have a look at the US yen, where we will see green, US being the base currency, buying US dollar here. There's the big green candlestick. Look how strong that is from support earlier today at 143.50. Broke through the earlier resistance I had at 144.36. Now sitting at 144.73. Strong uptrend. You can see that on the daily. We'll see it on the 4 hour. You can see for how long this uptrend has been intact for, broken through the previous resistance at 144.36 and even stronger on the hourly. There you can see has broken through the support level at the 144.37 and now 144.74. Buyers will be looking up at the 145 level. And US dollar Canadian, there you can see US dollar yesterday, yen strengthened all the way down to 136.30, fought its way back yesterday, ended up being a doji, and buyers of US have continued today. Support at 136.59, resistance 136.95. That's just under the 137 level. Buyers of US will be looking to test that 137. Sellers of US, buyers of Canadian looking down to the support at 136.59. Good trading. Keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session. What we're looking now What's in focus is whether the US dollar strength, which we saw to start the day, confirmed by positive job numbers, whether that can continue through the US session.